In this video, I'll give you a brief overview of how to add dashboards to a project in the Xenon Engineering Studio and how to use them in the Service Engine. With dashboards, you can add monitoring features to your Xenon projects, facilitating the analysis of your system without requiring external tools, both in new and already existing projects. To get started, navigate to the Tools tab in the Engineering Studio, then expand it. From here, select Start Engineering Studio Wizards. In the dialog, expand the project module and select Project Configuration Wizard. In existing projects, all the wizard tabs are disabled, with the exception of the screen selection with the option Create Dashboard. After activating this option, click the Override button under the Finish tab, so that the dashboards will be included in the project. The newly created dashboards will have the same or closest possible screen resolution as the target project. During the import of the dashboards, the modifications introduced are presented, including the new screens and functions created. When the import of the dashboard elements is finished, press the Close button to go back to the Engineering Studio. The dashboards include the monitoring of pure polling drivers, and therefore the wizard adds automatically the driver variables for these drivers. The new driver variables can be easily identified by their name, which is composed of the driver identification and the driver variable name. All the remaining dashboard elements can be recognized due to the prefix dashboard in the respective name. When filtering for a dashboard in the name column of the detail view, the dashboard elements in that project module are immediately visible. To load the dashboard menu screen in the Service Engine, all you have to do is create a screen switch function and link it to a button in a screen of the project, for example, the navigation. Save and compile your project and load the Service Engine. In the Service Engine, the Dashboards menu can be opened by clicking the previously created button. This is roughly divided into 4 areas. System information, which shows general system information such as the Service Engine files version and Service Engine data folder availability. The project and local computer names, user administration status, hardware resources load, and other Service Engine functions availability. On the top right, you find the driver communication group, which contains common driver statistics and specific driver instance information. Every driver instance can be accessed by clicking the respective driver identification in the drivers list. This shows driver general configuration and communication statistics, but also information about the last error that occurred. The network group in the detail view shows figures about the network statistics and traffic between the different computers that are part of the Xenon network and their roles in the system. At the bottom right of the dashboard menu, you find the dashboard chronological event list that displays all the dashboard data and monitored events, plus system events. In the detail screen, it is possible to filter the dashboard events further for specific subsets of information, like hardware resources or driver communication. Every dashboard screen can be saved, and the information collected can be exported to PDF or text format, so that it is possible to analyze and see the evolution of the system separately, offline, later. More information on this topic can be found in the Xenon Help under Service Engine and Engineering Studio, Wizards, Topics, Project, Project Configuration Wizard, Screen Selection, Dashboards Diagnosis Screens. Thanks for watching.